Hi, I'm Richie. I'm the lead liner installer with the sewer and drain team at 128. Today, we're heading to Melrose to fix customer's sewer line. Yesterday, we had Christian and Colby on scene. They located the pipe for us, dug a pit for us, and then they cleaned the rest of the pipe going out to the street. So our job today was to line it. From there, we gotta put the pipe together, fill the hole, slab some concrete down, and then it's like we were never here. Except their sewer works, so that's good. Well, I've been with the company over 3 years now. I used to work for another sewer company. That's where I learned how to line. I got the itch for sewer lining again, and every day, driving by the same billboards. 128, sewers, drains. Figured, why not give it a shot? We're doing cool stuff every day, all this equipment. We're just always available to help someone in need, and I think that's really cool. It's just a good feeling all around, I think. Just a lot of cool moments in this job. This job went excellent. Liners installed all the way to the street. We're about to take everything apart so we can put it all back together. We're gonna fill the hole, we're gonna concrete. See you in a minute. My job can't get done without the prep team going in there. They can't even get in there without the sales guys going in there. So Jeff, Charlie, Nick, Christian, Colby, Steve, Mikey, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Thanks for riding along with me. We're happy to help. See ya.